Are you looking to sell your car? Well, if that's the case, something you need to make sure that you've got is a good, consistent history of the maintenance of your car over the years that you've had it, and any other previous owners might have had it as well in the past, because if you don't, it could well tank the resale value of your vehicle. Let's have a look at why this is the case, guys. Full article on themotoringchronicle.com. Poor maintenance history slashes a car resale value because buyers, private or trading, see gaps in service records as red flag for hidden wear, costly repairs, or outright neglect, dropping offers by 10 to 20% or more. A spotty log signals risk, a clean one screams reliability. In 2025, the used car market, where transparency rules, this gap can turn a $20,000 Toyota Camry into a 16 grand liability. Or worse. It's not just perception, data backs it up as well. Cars with full service histories fetch 15% higher prices on average per a 2024 Carfax analysis, while neglected ones languish. Buyers aren't dumb. They'll pay for proof of care, not promises. From oil changes to crash cover-ups, here's why skimping on upkeep haunts resale and how the numbers stack up. Hey, look, it's me. Good to see our videos actually in our articles as well. Hopefully this one will appear inside it as well soon. A car's maintenance history isn't just paper, it's a trust contract. Every oil change, which is around between 5 and 7,500 miles per 2025 OEM norms, tire rotation or brake job bills a story of diligence. Skip those and buyers assume the worst: worn engines and warped rotors, or a ticking time bomb under the hood. A 2024 Kelley Blue Book study found that 68% of US buyers rank service records as a top factor. Above mileage or brand, missed $50 oil swaps can cost thousands down the line. Take a 2019 Honda Civic, for example. At 90,000 miles, clean title. With receipts for every service, it's around $18,000 for a private sale. If it has no records, dealers slash it to $15,000, fearing undisclosed abuse. Mechanics amplify this. Unseen sludge or skipped timing belts mean that rebuilds could top $5 grand. Won't roll that dice. They'll lowball or walk. Depreciation as well is the silent killer when it comes to this. Cars bleed value, 20% in year 1, 40% by year 5 per Carfax, but poor maintenance accelerates the plunge. A 2024 IC Cars report pegs a 5-year average depreciation at 38.8%, yet well-kept models such as the Toyota Tacoma holds 85% of its original value, while neglected Nissan Leafs craters to 31%. Why? Care slows wear, neglect fast-tracks it even more. The data is stark. A 2020 Ford F-150 with 60k miles and full logs retains 35 grand of its 45 grand original value. Missed half its services in oil, filters and fluids, and it's gone all the way down to 29 grand. That's a 6 grand loss. That's a lot of money. Rust, bald tires or blue exhaust smoke, it's another 2 grand goodbye on that value as well. Buyers smell trouble, dealers smell a bargain. And there's a lot more information there as well further down the article if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, basically, you know, people assume the worst if there's a hole in the history there, which is absolutely understandable. You know, a car is a big investment and it's something that you need for daily life, you know, unless you're lucky enough to live somewhere that has good public transport. But those are few and far between, particularly in the US, of course. So yeah, let us know your thoughts in the comments below, guys. Would you be on that kind of thinking as well? Would you be thinking, well, if there's a hole in the history there, I'm not going to offer a good value, or you just need not even offer anything, you know? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Like, share, comment, subscribe as always here on themotoringchronicle.com for much more content on the world of motoring just like this. Have a fantastic day ahead, guys. See you very soon.